All right, class, today we're going to be looking at range, mean, mode, and median. Let's go ahead and start with range first. Before I do any of that, I like to put my numbers in number order from lowest to greatest. It's going to help you especially with range, mode, and median. Meaning you don't necessarily have to put them all in order. So range, what you do for range is that you find your highest number and your lowest number and you subtract the difference. So 9 would be your range for that one. So again, you take your highest number and your lowest and you subtract. Let's go to mode. Mode is the number or numbers that occur more frequently. So I have 2 2s, and then I have 1 2 3 4s. In this case, it's not a tie. Since there's more 4s than there are 2s, 4 is your mode. Now, if you had a tie and there were another 2, then you would separate by commas. You don't have to be in order, but 2 and 4 would both be the mode because they both appear 3 times. But in this scenario, since only twice, 4 would be your mode. Okay, so let's go to the next one. All right, mean. To find mean, you want to take your set of numbers and add them all together. So when I add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10, that will give me 38. That's the first part of it. The next step you have to do, you have to divide your total number by the numbers in this set. So in this set, I have a total of 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I divide by 9, 38 divided by 9, that will give me a repeating decimal, which is 3.888. And that's another lesson in the future. But I want to round this to the nearest tenth. So I look at my tenth, which is 8. And you know the rule, if the number next to it is 5 and above, I'm going to round that to 3.9. So that is my average. Next thing, we're going to get to the median. So let me delete all this. Median is what number is in the middle. So in this set, we have 9. I like odd numbers when we try to find median because the number in the middle, I see I go here, that's these two numbers, and there's different ways that you can do this, but 4 is in the middle. Usually, well, always, when you have an odd number, that's so much easier because only one number is going to be in the middle. Now, if you have an even set, let's add another number, let's add 12. Well, now I have 10 numbers, so there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. Let's see if I got everything in here. Let me move this camera this way as such. All right, thank you. So now I have 2 numbers. So again, I'm going to make sure. So these 2 are in the middle. What you do when you have even set and even numbers in a set, you add the 2 numbers in the middle. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Divide by the number. So now we're going back to mean. You divide the 2. Sorry, you don't divide the 2. You add the 2 and you divide by the number. It says we have 2 numbers in the median. So 8 divided by 2 will be 4. And some of you will be able to stop that, stop before and realize since the 2 numbers repeat, you keep the same. Hopefully that helps. Let me know. Leave a comment.